Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to set reminders. So you could set one-time reminders, or you can make a list of reminders that will happen on a regular basis. So the program is called Concenturio. So it's free to download and install. You just need to register it in order to use it. So you'll have to use your real email address as well, because they're going to send you a link to kind of activate it. All right, so once you open it here, you could do the single task. So let's say we do, 1 minute, 2 minutes. You could only go as low as 1 minute here, or you could put in a specific time. You could also do this box here to add a second reminder if you cannot get to it in time. And then you could put in some text here. And then down here you have a hint window, so when this is checked, it'll pop up a box on your screen. And then it'll also play a file, and you could sample the files here. So these first two are quite annoying, so I don't recommend these. And then you could also add your own file if you want. Okay, so we'll set it for 1 minute here, and we'll click on Start. Then you can see there's even a countdown there. So if we were to close it, it's going to be running down here. So we'll just close it here, and then we'll just kind of fast forward and be back when this is done.
Warning. Warning.
Okay, so here's our warning here. Then you could repeat it if you want to kind of postpone it. So let me open the program back up here. All right, so I forgot to change it back to alarm clock, so I had that annoying blaring alarm here. Okay, then here we have the task list section. So if you want to create a recurring task, you could do that. So just click on Add. So you could have it delete the task after execution if you want, but if it's going to be recurring, you probably don't want that. You could set a non-recurring reminder if it's going to be executed a single time. All right, so for example, if we do 12 o'clock, you could also see the little clock here if you want. And then you could decide if you want to do this daily, certain days, a date range, a certain day of the month, certain day of the year, and so on. So do next. Okay, then you could decide if you want to use the hint window to pop up the box, and then what audio file you want to use, if any. And then we have the fetch task option again. So we'll call this lunchtime. And click on apply. And now we have our list here. Then if you come back here, you could edit it, delete it, add a new one, and so on. All right, and then finally we have some settings here. So if you wanted to check for new versions at startup, and if you want to have it running at startup, so if this is something you're going to be using on a regular basis, you're going to need to have it run with your computer, otherwise it's not going to show you your reminders. So as you can see, it's a pretty basic program, yet pretty effective, and of course it's free, so that's the best part. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download Concenturio and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.